I thought, I've got to be fair, I thought it was going to be dry when I left. Clearly not. Absolutely livid. So yeah, I've got another shift after today, and then I'll be right on my way to 8 shifts off. Thank God for that. Tell you what, sorry to go on about the visor again, but lights, oncoming lights, whoa, oncoming lights, straight into the lugholes, not a problem. We got some heavy windage today. A jumper's joined a jumper. Hey, I keep forgetting because I didn't wear my boots the last time I went in. I gotta be careful on the brake lever because my boots, these Oxford Tourer boots, they're quite heavy. You sort of gotta compensate for the weight. It's got a nice little gurgle to this bike though, I gotta be fair. I love it when the roads are quiet. Fuck me, they're huge seagulls. I think they found a loaf of bread. Oh, I'm gonna get absolutely fucking rimmed on a bypass now. You know, being a 125 and what have you. I swapped sides because there's a lot of leafage on the floor, or because the wind wants to batter everything. I believe we're having the backdraft of a hurricane, thus the shitty weather. So yeah. Oh, fuck off, you windy bastards. Fuck off. Oh, here we are. This is where everyone's chilling today. That's what you get for trying to cut fucking lanes. Fucking dickhead. Don't know if you've seen that. He could have come through that lane over there actually, but he chose not to. Oh, that's a big one. Very good observation to the amber wants. Ah, man, the weather's just absolutely bunk. I've got to like literally go pick up some parcels and then go from there. Oh man, I might have to switch my visors soon because it's just too dark. It's alright when the lights are on. It's just really hard to see. Oh man, that smells so good. Hot. I mean, it's dark enough to see my fucking fireball of a light coming at you. You just couldn't be asked to wait. What? I'm hearing things. I go even slower, mate. Man, like, people need to fucking consider the weather conditions. It ain't gonna make me go any faster. I can certainly tell you that. Carry a clear visor, especially now it's getting dark earlier, just like it was yesterday. So I'm trying something new with the videos. I'm doing like a continuation. Apologies for the excess tapping. So basically I got zips on the back of my bag, on the top of my bag should I say, and basically they're hitting the back of my helmet because well, I've got like a sandwich bag, box, you know, one of those cooler bags inside my bag, so I've like squished the fucker down to the bottom. Oh, there's a lot of leavage here. So yeah, I squished it down to the bottom flat like that. So my laptop bag's pushing up into my head. I was reading online a little bit about this bike, and apparently people have been having problems. Let's get rid of some of that beading. Some people have been having problems when it's been raining, and some of the electronics on it have been either damaged or this bike with no bike cover on from a shift, and it's been fine like. So, oh shit, like I don't know, I look after my bikes anyway, so if I do have problems I will raise them with the dealer. More often than not I've had little minor issues, like in fact he's gonna say he's got parcels to deliver again. Yeah, I'm a fucking courier late. I ain't doing it this morning. I'm running late as it is. As you can see, it's 7:29. I've had a fucking lie-in, and yeah, because it's my last shift as well. So guys, what's it like being an all-weather rider? It's fucking great. That is all right as long as you dress for it. I mean, I find with these gloves I can get, you know, find that I'm being penetrated quite a bit with the water, so I'm gonna have to. Oh wow, you got some balls, fucking running. All right, let's get some speed. Oh boy. Thought I whacked my hazards on just to thank them. Oh, I feel my chest getting a bit moist now. Come on, there's no one on there. What are you? Oh, I'm chafing a bit there. Rubby. That's clearly a red. Oh man, it's like fucking Barry Beach here, boys. How long's this fucking rain gonna last? Oh, you watch, she's gonna go red now. No red, good. I can feel my head going like that.